We Haitians are very proud of our history. We love to advertise the 1791 Haitian Revolution, whose goal was equality for all. Nowadays, there is another revolution at hand, a digital revolution that will transform education throughout the world toward education for all.
Today we are celebrating a major step in the MIT-Haiti initiative, the goal of which is the development, evaluation, and dissemination of high-quality digital learning tools for educating Haitian students in the STEM subject of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The exciting part, of course, is that the subjects will be delivered in Creole.
The Prime Minister is here today at MIT to help Haiti make history again by telling us how Haiti, together with MIT, can push forward this digital revolution, one whose goal is, or should be, access to quality education for all, beyond any digital divide and beyond any linguistic barrier.
The most productive partnerships for Haiti is not about handouts. It's about empowering Haitians to fly with their own wings. The MIT-Haiti initiative is demonstrating that for the first time ever, when you couple the state-of-the-art educational technology and open online resources to improve the quality of the education and doing it in Creole, we improve the access to education. 97% of Haitians speak Creole. Only 3% speak French. When they go to school, they are taught in French, and they go back home and the parents and the peers speak in Creole. Everybody speaks Creole amongst themselves. I think it just eases the burden on the child by just teaching in the language that they will understand, their native language. By starting with this program, we are being honest with ourselves, first of all, and we're teaching in a language where everybody will understand, and they will learn better, they will understand better, they will become better students, and they will do better, definitely. I feel very close to this initiative because it's one where I truly believe that the country should go. We should embrace the language that our people speak, and it makes sense also to the people, to the most vulnerable. I'm charging the Minister of Education, Mr. Van Pierre, to look closely to this MIT initiative and to collaborate with its leaders. This is the thinking outside the box that developing countries need to start doing. It is to have direct partnerships with a world-leading institution. And the country has to benefit greatly from that. And I am convinced, and you have my word, that this government will put every effort at making this initiative a complete success. Let's get to work. Et Ayiti avance. Haiti is moving forward. Thank you.
Compte tenu de réalité pays, compte tenu du fait que 97% pratiquement dans Haïtien, c'est 100% parler créole, il y a environ 3% qui parlent français. Quand il y a là, il vient plus challenging. L'on apprend aux élèves à parler, ou enseigner en français, pendant que c'est créole qui parle. Donc, il faut nous faire plaidoyer, il faut nous garder ça pour voir qui est capable d'ajuster pour capable optimiser le système d'éducation. Donc, plaidoyer ça, c'est un plaidoyer que nous commençons à faire pour que l'éducation nous soit faite dans la langue, pour que les petits gens comprennent à l'aise.